Hello everybody, welcome back to the garden. Yes, my name is Tony Smith and we're actually in the, I'm not even going to do it. This is my garden, but I've been away for a few days, as folks who might know, and today I want to just show you what I've got to store potatoes. But I've got this chair here. What I want to do is just get it over there first and get myself comfortable here, because these are my potatoes that I've kind of had in the sun, possibly a day longer than I should have done, but I want to store them now because they're just actually perfect. They've been like cured lovely there, and over there I'll just show you. So little update there. Did you know that we took our son to Bristol? Yes, for his aerospace engineering. He has fliggied the nest. He's gone. And Bristol's lovely, mind you. Bristol's absolutely gorgeous. It's no wonder it's going to grow. Man, the heat down there, it's like you've got a get out of jail card free. Those are northerners having a battle. All that weather down there was absolutely gorgeous. So like I say, we went down there for 2 days to take the son down, and TK Maxx, yeah, I had to, not that I want to do, but we had to go to TK Maxx, and I bought this, for my little treat. Bought this basket. Now this is the same kind of thing as what I've been doing for my veg, but this is a little bit bigger because I thought it'll be ideal for storing these potatoes. And there's like loads of air gets through, and it's great. And there's a metal, I'm just glad there's a metal bar runs down the middle, because there might be some weight in here. So I'm going to tell you the kind of way I'm going to store the potatoes, and what other ways you can store the potatoes if you want to, and little tips and tricks. First of all though, you must, we kind of cure them, do you know what I mean? So leave them out in the sun. You don't have to leave them out as long as I did. It was just, we've been away for a while there, and I just couldn't get up to the garden, so just a day would do. Do you know what I mean? There's no kind of problem there. Just get them cured and that would be fantastic. Right, what am I going to do to store them? So there you go, that's my whole lot of potatoes there. And what I'm doing, you don't have, what they say is you can kind of leave a little bit of mud on, but I'm going to just rub them down, just with my hands, mind you, because I don't want to damage the skin. So that's one I'm just kind of, once they're kind of, and this is where that's lovely for it, like, once they're dry, you can just rub away, and the skins have like been toughened up a little bit, that's just perfect to kind of pop in my TK Maxx basket there like that. How much was this? 19.99 TK Maxx. Well, I thought, because I was dragged there. Yes, but while I do this, I'll speed some up as well. But while we were there, like, Bristol was lovely, and he's right in the area which is next to his university, and it's right near the kind of the river, and he's a right little bohemian place he's next to, so it's lovely, all the coffee shops and a couple of Weatherspoons pubs near there as well. It's a steep, was it called Park Street, where his digs are on? I'm not, but he was quite keen just for mum and dad to go, so basically I'm just gonna get these nice, and we've actually had some already, for baked potatoes. These, Desiree, have just been, is that how we pronounce it? Tremendous, stupendous, I was going to say there. And I was glad when I turned up today, mind you, that, because like I say, when you get away and I knew they were here, and I was thinking, if it's wet when I turn up, but they're just ideal, perfect like that, the dust's just rubbing off. And like I say, purists will leave the mud on to help them, but I guess if you are storing them, just be careful, that you're kind of not bruising the skins or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is just put them in my hut. Next, I've got my onions, like my main onions still, and they'll be, hopefully, and I've got some of the pink fir apples which I'll put on the top. And like I say, this box will just do, I'm hoping it'll last a few years. I know it's quite a, just for a little box, but actually you get some lovely stuff in TK Maxx for storage and stuff like that. But That's a perfect, actually that would be a good, that's probably the size I would use for like a seed potato. Maybe I might keep some for seed potatoes, but we'll see. What else is, you could, if you want to be like totally into it, you know, and totally into kind of storage, you could do like the professional way, and they'll store for ages, is put like a bed of straw down, you know, and then just don't have your potatoes touching each other, and just have them on this straw, then put another straw layer down and just build it up. So, and I could use that, actually, that rapeseed, but I'm thinking, and I haven't got time to check, to be honest, I'm on teas, but I think there's like a leak in one of the bags, so it's a bit damp, and I don't want to get, like I say, these in there now are perfect for just storing ready for the season, you know, like for some use through the winter, and I don't want to risk anything. So there we go. So yes, I'm just pottering about cleaning these. You could put them in like Hessian bags if you know, but I just find that's sturdy, and I've tried paper bags, I've tried even like buying like bags with the printed on saying like potato, you know what I mean, but look at that, man. And I had a few of these big things, you know what I mean, like I say, yeah, obviously chunky has the big potatoes, you know what I mean, but just get all these nice and clean here now. There you go. So that's nice little, yes, I'm really very pleased with this, and because they've been cured, you know, they've left them out in the sun's done a little magic on them, the skins are a nice tougher. Like you say, you put them straight out the ground and then store them straight away, the skins might just damage, and once you've got that bare bit of flesh, then you're in trouble, you know, and it won't store. So I'm really pleased. Now I'm just going to put the other ones, you know, like these ones here, the pink fir apples, just straight on top. You know, we'll be able to kind of find which one's which, to be honest, so that's not a problem. So there we go then, all done. I thought there would have been loads more room, but it's certainly took it up, you know, and I can just get my little lid there. So yes, this year's for the winter, the stews and everything like that. And just if I planted them, if you're new to this channel, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, you know what I mean, hit the bell icon and thumbs up, and I'll give you, I promise I'll give you 10 years good gardening luck. So I planted my potatoes in here, and this is all the spent soil, and I'm just going to use that again. I'm just going to give it a lot of bloodfish and bone, some chicken pellets and everything like that, and just come March time, use it again. I'm going to put them back in here, but the only thing I'm going to do is make some bigger holes in the pots. I just used what was kind of on the shop, you know what I mean, like when you buy them, and there's a few folks mentioned get the bigger holes, get the roots in the ground. So that's it. So hopefully you've had a good crop of potatoes, and let us know if you have or not. That'll be the funny thing if you haven't had. Well, not a funny thing, but I'm not teaching as well. I'm kind of telling you about the way I'm kind of storing them. If you've got no bloody potatoes, that's no good. But hopefully you have, and hopefully you've had a good season. Like I say, I've had a cracking season with them. So anyway, look after yourself. Take good care.